was the last time you checked to see if your smoke detector was expired? I know what you're thinking. Smoke detectors expired? They absolutely do. Matter of fact, they only last 10 years, and after that, they're no longer reliable. 3 out of 5 house fires that end in a death are due to non-working smoke detectors. Now, that's a crazy statistic, but there's something we can do about it right now. In the metal box itself, there's holes for you to drill. Do yourself a favor. Whenever this video ends, I want you to go pull out your smoke detector and check to see if it's 10 years old or older. You'll find that there's a manufacture date on the back and it'll have an expire date. If it's over 10 years old, just swap them out. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to send this to a friend or family because you never know whose life you're going to save. And seriously, a lot of people don't realize how this is important. So share this video, and if you like this kind of content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We have a lot of information that we're giving out, and I mean a lot of information. I'm trying to show you and empower you and give you the confidence that you can do all of this stuff yourself, especially the easy stuff. You don't need to hire anybody. If you found it useful, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you on the next video.